easy bacon and egg breakfast wraps.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, I found this idea on a Facebook video and I wasn't convinced that it was going to work, so I thought I'd give it a try. You take a piece of foil, you lightly spray it with some cooking spray, you put your flour tortilla on top of that. This is one of the larger 10-inch ones, and then you add some meat. I'm using some cooked bacon. However, you could use ham, you could use turkey, chicken, whatever you want. Put that on there. I used 3 slices of bacon that was cooked and cooled. And then I added about a 1/4 cup of cheese that's been shredded. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. And what I did is I formed it into like a little nest to hold the egg. And I pinched the edges together a little bit just so that it would stick together and hold its shape. And then you're going to take an egg and break it into the center. I had extra large eggs in the house, so that's a lot of egg. You probably have better luck with maybe medium or small eggs. You'd have less of the white leaking out. However, it still worked out. Now you fold it up. You fold the top and the bottom, and then the edges. And the trick is just to hold it all together as you're folding so that that egg white does not run out. So both edges fold up, hold them, and then the foil goes up over the edges and then up the sides. And there's your little bundle. Now just make sure when you put this in the oven that you put it right side up so you don't want the egg leaking out. I put them on a cookie sheet and bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And here's one out of the oven. I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's been baked. You open it up and the color on the top doesn't change too much. As you can see, it's nicely sealed. That egg white actually seals it very nicely as it's baking. And if you turn it over, you can see the bottom is just a little bit brown and it's just slightly crispy on the bottom and on the edges on the top. And you can eat it right away. And there it is. You can see the inside. Here the egg yolk is quite firm. If you want a runnier yolk, you just don't cook it for quite as long. I like the egg yolk this way. And what I was doing is I made a bunch of these and I was taking them to work when I'm working early morning day shift when I don't want to have breakfast at 4 o'clock in the morning in my house. So what I do is I bring these to work. I throw them in the toaster oven for about 10 minutes. They crisp up nicely, gets nice and warm, and then I can have a quick breakfast at work. I was really happy the way these turned out. The egg did not leak all over the place. And every bite of this wrap has something in it, whether it's cheese or bacon or a little bit of egg. They're absolutely delicious. Another breakfast recipe that's been very popular on my channel, and I've had on my channel for many, many years, are these egg cups. So if you're interested in something different, try these. Thanks for watching.